Getting ready to paint your home's exterior? As you select colors, consider how your siding, trim, front door, and other exterior elements all work together. Find the perfect exterior paint color combinations with these tips. It's super easy to truly have a home that looks nice by making use of home decoration styles and that will amaze your guests, but it's essential to choose the best paint color combination that reflects the attractive look of that house.